Students who have qualified their NET exam can now apply to central universities using a common platform. Now, this is a proposed idea where all these 45 central universities would have a common platform. Students would upload their documents and the required information there, and as the vacancies are released across various universities, they can directly apply. This idea has been taken from IITs, where this common system still prevails across the 23 IITs. The idea is the large number of vacancies and the multiple applications that students would have to file would be reduced. Also, this has certain controversies as of now. One of the major things is that since it's a central university thing, it has to be established under the Act of Parliament, which is still not done. So probably once it is finalized, this platform would be open for all. Definitely this would create an impact onto numerous students who don't get a chance to get information about the ongoing vacancies, or they would also have a platform where they can have their details, and with a one single strike they can apply to different parts. So those are some of the benefits, and yes, your NET result is awaited. Wish you good luck. Have a wonderful evening.